Mr. Ige.
Yes, thank you. My criticism of the Health Connector has been documented in the newspaper. I really do believe that we made a mistake in moving forward with the Health Connector and the SHOP program. We do have the Hawaii Prepaid Healthcare Program, which provides the best health insurance environment in the country. We have the highest percentage of our citizens that have access to healthcare. And as a result of that, we have the longest lifespans, the lowest Medicare costs per capita, and in my opinion, the best healthcare system in the country. And so the benefits of the Affordable Care Act was very marginal and minimal to the state of Hawaii. It was the executive that embraced and enrolled in all of the components without seeking any kind of exemptions. And I agree with Mr. Iona that at this point in time, looking at how we can move forward, we don't have a whole lot of options in front of us. But I do believe we should continue to petition and work with the federal government and HMS to seek exemptions and modifications for the Affordable Care Act. We have the best insurance program in the country, and we need to impress upon them that many of the benefits that are envisioned for the Affordable Care Act are already present in Hawaii. So we need to, as governor, I would continue to advocate and work with the federal government to state our case about why we need an exemption as soon as possible and not sit and wait and pretend to be helpless until 2017. It really is about being aggressive and proactive so that we can look at the options and make the best decisions on behalf of our community. Thank you.
Mr. Henneman.
My